Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today we're on another little nature hike. I'm up here in Idyllwild, California, and I decided to go on the Perimeter Trail. It's about 1.6 miles through a nice little shaded woody area, and then it stops at the nature center because I heard they're having an event, Butterfly Daze. So I thought I would go check that out and share that with you guys today as well. Now the entrance to go to the nature center where that car is going, you just keep going forward if you want to do that. But if you want to take the hike, you can park where all these cars are here after you come through, and you want to make sure that you pay for your day parking, or you can pay at the nature center for your day entrance. So for adults right now it's $6, for children it's $3, and you can scan this code and you can pay it right on your phone right here, and you don't have to pay at the nature center. Okay, and then you'll get a receipt in your email as well. If you park your car, you're going to see this sign here straight ahead that says Perimeter Trail. So you can either go the west or you can go east. So I'm going to go east because I want to run into the nature center, which is right up the road here. So I'm going to keep on this road, and as you can see, they have trash bins. If you have your dogs are allowed. So you just follow the trail, keep an eye on everything, and you should be on your way. So we're gonna enjoy a bit of nature. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so it's a beautiful day to come back out in nature and spend some time. As you can see, they have some benches here if you want to sit down, and it looks pretty. So this is a nice escape if you want to get from all the rustle and bustle of traffic and a lot of people and things like that. It's a nice area to hang out and go. See another beautiful bench right here. So it's a great place to hang out. I have a little water with a little crystal light in it. So if you share in the comments, where have you hiked this year? Have you gotten out in nature, be around the trees? Have you gotten out to some water, a lake, or maybe the beach this year? To sit on this picnic table. Looks like people are starting to show up because that walk wasn't too long. It's really quick, y'all. If you park right there and just walk to the nature center instead of driving, you get a little nature experience on the way. But the Butterfly Daze starts at 10, so I was a little early, so I decided to sit here and just be quiet for a minute, which I absolutely love. And so I'm gonna head to the nature center, see what's going on. They're supposed to have butterfly tent, hot dog stand, live music. It's very kid friendly for the kids too. So, but I'm more interested in the butterflies and, learning that. But they do have I heard they have other exhibits around it. So we're gonna go check it out. And yeah, let's go and see what's going on. Looks like they have some live animals in here too. This is the Pacific gopher snake. Right there, sitting all calm in the back there. Good morning. And this is the woodland alligator lizard. He's over in the corner there. little gopher snake. These are red ear sliders. In this area, we see a lot of hawks flying up, and they'll fly right down and grab a pigeon in a minute. And this one is the red-tailed hawk. And in my area, I see a lot of these road runners. I had no idea what they were. They just run around the property all the time. These two. So this is the female, and this is the male. He has a longer tail, I noticed. Yeah, pretty cool. I see them all the time. Some of the common ones, raccoons. Here's a coyote, up close and personal. Then we have a gray fox. It's a gray fox. Then mule deer. Can you imagine seeing that in the woods? A mule deer. It's huge. This is the great horned owl. It's said to be the largest and most common owl found in the United States. Highly adaptable, they can live in the most kind of habitats. It says here, frozen tundras of Alaska down to the jungles of the Amazon rainforest in South America. This is a bearded dragon right here. You know, just hanging out. Just like in many parts of these areas, many Native Americans lived in the land. In this area were the Kuya people. And it says here, the white man says that there were only about 10,000 of the Kuya here when they came. And he said, oh no, that's not true. There were many more than that. So the area were occupied here was vast. And one of the Kuya's fathers said that to her. But no, there was more than 10,000. As you can see, they learned to live off the land. Here's some pictures here, Kuya people. Hand making various goods. Here's some of the handmade items from the Kuya people. So they would collect acorns and put it into that big structure here. It's in a replica here. And then they would take it over to here and grind the acorns. They call it their granary. Indian acorn granary. If you want to pick up something, a snack or so, they have a little shop here. Those are cute. A shop of things to buy, jewelry, and grain things as well. They also have an outside area if you want to come out outside at the nature center. Tell you a little common birds that you might see if you like bird watching. Various birds you might see on your hiking path. They have little vendors over here today, and these are the butterfly tents over here. I think they're supposed to open about 11. Nice little area just to come and sit, reflect some more. Oh wow, they catch the water catcher. They got a nice little, they catch a lot of water up here. In this area, you can also bird watch. Wow, they're all just hanging out here. All these birds. They have a display. They say you can borrow binoculars if you want to watch and check out and see if you can find these birds. I saw this one already. The Stellar's Jay. Saw that one. And I saw this one. Acorn woodpecker. And definitely this one. Mountain chickadee. Saw that one. Pretty cool. They're just all hanging out. Looks like they want you to grab melon so it'll attract the butterflies. Everyone's attracting, getting some watermelon. I got one.
Oh, I lost my button. Okay.
Another one. This one flew on my tummy, so I took it off and put it on the watermelon. Pretty cool. And they're gonna compost all this melon afterwards, which is pretty cool as well. Really enlightening to see that they are attracted to the watermelon. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so they have different vendors and stuff. People make handmade like soaps and candles and things like that. Yeah, it's a nice turnout today. Really refreshing to see kids out in nature, and you can take various trails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Viewpoint, go to the Viewpoint here, and then I'm gonna come back. He said come back and you can pop back on the Perimeter Trail after that. It's pretty labeled really nicely. So I'm going to the Viewpoint. It's also where the campground area is here. So, and then we're gonna walk back that way. But we're gonna head this way to the Viewpoint. And then to see what that view looks like up here. The right one, but here's the Viewpoint. Whoa, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. The Viewpoint. So quiet and peaceful. Perfect time to come up in the mountains, spend time in nature. After you finish enjoying the beautiful view, you just want to follow your way back to the nature center. And then we'll get on the Perimeter Trail. This is a unique way to make a fence, huh? with all the tree branches. These are strong. These are tough. Alright, so we're heading back up the perimeter trail this way. Heard it's a little steeper going this way, but we're making it back to where we started, in the parking lot. Let's go. Path back. Look at these beautiful trunks on these trees. I don't know what this brown stuff is. Like kind of like a protective shell for them. So cool. But it's like a drizzle. So interesting. All right, guys. Yay! I see the parking lot over here. Yeah, so if you're not into inclines like I was, it wasn't that bad. At least to me, it wasn't that bad. You know, mind over matter. Get through it and just, you know, get all the weird thoughts out of your head, and you can do it too. But if you have bad knees and everything like that, you'll probably want to do the counterclockwise way. So that means where you see the perimeter sign I showed you at the beginning of the video, you want to go left and walk across and come down and go straight down behind me, this path. And then you'll run into the nature center up the back way, and then you can go counterclockwise back to that parking structure, okay? So it's up to you. I thought it was a nice incline, a little bit of endurance, you know, exercise, which is always fun. If you come out, let me know in the comments below. But until the next video, guys, take care of yourself. God bless you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.